Okay then, hello everybody, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. Welcome back to Team Prawn Racing. Now, this is a very impromptu video because I have got a fairly major issue and I need your help. We've got a really weird gearbox issue that I can't explain. Let me fire it up, I'll show you what's going on. So, now I don't know if you can hear that here in the garage. See if you can hear it when I rev it. There's a fairly serious whine coming from the box. Now if I press the clutch, it goes away. Yeah, safe to say that is not a good noise. I don't think it's a release bearing. It's happened suddenly and it's really bad. I've just been for a very short drive. It does not sound good. It's screaming away. I suspect we've had a bearing on the input shaft at either end collapse in the box because it really doesn't sound nice. Now, as you know, our gearbox man is Martin at Gas and Gears. Mart is a legend. Mart has looked after us for about 8 years now. I wouldn't usually take it anywhere else, but Mart's had a few issues with his hand and shoulder. Mart is in for surgery and he's not taking on any work for the next 3 months. It's a Sunday afternoon. I have tried to give him a ring. I'm not going to push it any further than that. The man's probably got more than enough going on. We are racing at Brands Hatch Super Touring Power 2. It's the biggest weekend of the year. We've got 4 races over the course of next weekend. I'm going to get to work shortly pulling this box out. I need somebody to help me. I've never stripped an O2M in my life. I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm fairly sure it's a bearing failure. Who's out there? Who can help me pull this O2M apart, rebuild it? I think it's just bearings. It's the dog box, 6-speed SQS dog kit. It's a lovely gearbox. It still drives perfectly, but the noise just doesn't sound right. I think we've got a bearing failure, but I don't know what I'm looking at. Who can help me? Let me know. Drop me a message, reply here, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. I'll pretty much go wherever it takes to get this sorted and back in the car by next weekend. Please share this one around, guys. I really need your help. It's been a pretty tough time lately in general. I was really looking forward to Brands. I am not going to let this one fail. Let me know. What can you do? Thank you for watching.